If the touchscreen on your Samsung device is not working, use the 5 tips in this video to fix it. The touchscreen may stop working if the phone freezes or a misbehaving app causes the system to hang up. Unless there is a hardware issue, you can follow one of the following methods to solve the problem. A restart usually fixes most of the problems, but if your touchscreen isn't working, it is hard to restart your phone normally. In that case, you can force restart your device. Press and hold the volume down button and the power button until the phone restarts and the Samsung logo appears. You might have to press the button for up to 10 seconds. After the phone restarts, you will notice that the touchscreen issue has been fixed. If the previous method fails, you need to resort to a professional software for help, and the best option in this case is Altphone Android System Repair. The software can fix the touchscreen problem in your Samsung phone easily and keeping your data safe. It can repair your phone from problems including no command error, Samsung phone won't turn on or off, black screen, and more. Step 1. Download the Android System Repair software for free from Altphone's official website and install it to your PC. Step 2. Launch the software and connect your device to the computer via USB. On the main interface, click on Repair Android System and press the Repair Now button to begin the process. Step 3. Select the correct device information to proceed. Make sure you enter the right information or you may break your phone. Once the information is selected, click on Next. Step 4. The software will automatically start downloading the right firmware package for your device. Once the download is complete, click on Repair Now. It automatically starts installing the downloaded firmware. Once the process is complete, the phone will restart and you will be able to use it once again. A recently installed app might have caused the touchscreen to stop working. In that case, you can boot your device into safe mode and uninstall the app that was installed recently and reboot your phone into the normal mode to check if the issue has been fixed. To enter the safe mode, turn off your Samsung device and press and hold the power button till your phone turns on. Then release the power button but keep pressing the volume down button until the phone turns on. Clearing the system cache might also solve the problem if a recently installed app is not the problem. Enter the recovery mode and navigate to the Wipe Cache Partition option using the volume buttons and confirm your choice with the power button. The touch doesn't work in this mode. Finally, reboot your system from the Reboot System Now option. This will probably fix the touchscreen issue. If none of the other methods work and you are confident that the issue is not hardware related, then the only step left is to factory reset your Samsung device. To proceed with the factory reset, enter the recovery mode by pressing the necessary key combinations. Once in the recovery mode, navigate to the Wipe Data or Factory Reset option and confirm your choice. Finally, reboot your system from the Reboot System Now option. This will restart your phone and fix the touchscreen issue for sure. So, in this video we've shared 5 tips on how to fix the touchscreen not working problem on the Samsung devices. Altphone Android System Repair is the safest and most reliable among all the methods, keeping your data safe. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful for you, please leave your comments. Subscribe to this channel for more tips.